Hey everyone, I just want to remind you about our youth gardening contest that we're hosting here on Oklahoma Gardening. So entries are due the end of this month, May 30th, that Friday. Please get your entries in, and you can do that by submitting them to our email addresses. Just as a reminder, if you are a youth ages 12 through 18 and have an interest in a project that you've been working on related to gardening or horticulture, we want to hear about it. So send us a few photos, also a brief description about what your project is, and also how you got involved in it. We know that there's a lot of youth out there that are gardening, and we want to hear from you. Again, this might be your summer to be on TV. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.